Hi, I chose to review MapBox out of the platforms that are available as an alternative to ArcGIS Online. I found that it provides a range of services and products that seem highly polished and professional. Their base products include maps such as base maps, search capability, especially geocoding. They also provide navigation services, and they have a studio product where you can edit styles and essentially create your own base maps. And just to take a look at their pricing structure, they have a pay-as-you-go plan that's free to start and covers map views, geocode requests, direction requests, up to 50,000 for both web apps and mobile applications. Once you go past the 50,000 views or requests, then you have to pay about 50 cents per each additional 1,000 views or requests. Looks like you get about 5 gigabytes of data set storage and 50 gigabytes of tile set storage. And apparently, if you are commercial, on top of the pay-as-you-go, you have to pay about $500 a month, and this will let you use these services if you have a website that's a paid subscription or is somewhat restricted or only has private access. So if I go into the account, I can see some of the things that we can do. Primarily with the Map Studio, which is where you would kind of go in and load data. Looking through that, I saw that for tile sets, they have data requirements that have to be either MB tiles, KML, GPX, GeoJSON shapefiles, or CSV files. And for data sets that are not tile sets, it only supports GeoJSON, JSON, and CSV files. You essentially land into this kind of map viewer where you're able to come up with different styles and symbolize your data layers. Pretty easy. I would say that it's very easy to use, and some of the kind of similarities with ArcGIS Online, they both provide a number of base maps as a service. They have geocoding capabilities to search and locate addresses, turn-by-turn navigation, and asset tracking, ability to design custom maps, allowed to upload data, and making SDKs and APIs available. Some of the differences with ArcGIS Online is MapBox base maps are all vector tiles, while ArcGIS Online offers raster and vector tile options. Integration with Esri desktop and server software is not supported with MapBox, and also ArcGIS Online has support for a wider range of data formats. MapBox geospatial analysis is limited to turf.js, client-side operations, and also the pricing structure differs with the with views as opposed to credits as you have with ArcGIS Online. Now overall, Esri's offering seems more preferable, especially for GIS analysts, due to integration with desktop tools and more flexibility with data types, a wider range of templates, and also the fact that you can create a lot of web applications with widgets that can add a lot of functionality without having to program. It seems like MapBox, any additional functionality has to come from whatever application is implementing its SDK